Meaning of gossip column.
Gossip column.
Gossip column.
Gossip column.
Gossip column. A gossip column is a section of a newspaper or magazine that reports on the personal lives and activities of celebrities, public figures, and other individuals of interest. The content of a gossip column often includes information about romantic relationships, scandals, and other private matters that are not typically reported in more serious news sections. The purpose of a gossip column is to entertain readers and generate interest in popular culture. However, critics of gossip columns argue that they are intrusive and can have negative consequences for the individuals featured in them.